Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the device and yourself. Charge the Momcozy M6 or connect power, clean all parts, and assemble the flange, valve, and bottle. Once assembled, position the flange over your nipple and press gently to create a full seal. You should feel light suction. Make sure the silicone valve sits flat and the bottle is screwed tight. These steps prevent leaks and maximize vacuum. Now switch the pump on and choose the initial stimulation mode to begin gentle drawing. Once milk letdown starts, transition from stimulation to expression mode. Press the mode button and wait a beat so your body adapts. You increase suction slowly, small steps, until you reach an effective yet comfortable level. Use the up/down buttons to fine-tune cycles per minute and intensity. The M6 remembers settings for next time. If you need privacy, enable white noise or lower motor volume. Keep posture upright and relax shoulders. This improves flow and reduces fatigue. To finish, power off, gently break the seal and remove the flange. Cap or transfer milk immediately to storage. Disassemble the pump parts and wash them in warm soapy water, then air dry. This protects milk quality. If you notice weak suction, check that the valve and diaphragm are undamaged and seated correctly. Replace torn valves and ensure the bottle is threaded tightly. If noise or error persists, restart the unit and verify battery level. These simple checks solve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.